Have you been battling with fungal infection and you don't know the solution of how you're going to get that fungal infection from your skin? In this video, I'm going to show you some home remedies that you can use to take away any fungal infection from your skin, either your finger, your toe, or any part of your body. So if you want to know more about it, do not skip. Watch this video to the end. Hello, you are welcome to my channel. This is Wiki Skincare. In case you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell. And to my old subscribers, I want to appreciate everything that you have done. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. In case you are new to my channel, in case you are seeing me for the first time, this is Wiki Skincare. In Wiki Skincare, we talk about cream product. I will also talk about remedies to stretch mark. We also talk about remedies to white splashes, and we also talk about home remedies and how you can protect your skin from all sorts of reaction. So if you want to know more of how you can protect your skin and give your skin a glowing skin, do not skip and watch this video to the end. So today we are talking about fungal infection. You may heard about it or you are experiencing it there, or you have someone experiencing it there. Fungal infection is a disease gotten from fungus, and fungal infection is mostly gotten from contaminated water. Maybe you step on all this contaminated water with and you did not apply treatment on it, like taking antibiotic or taking using something to rub that particular place, maybe your feet or your body, or you fall on contaminated water, you do not apply the treatment met on it, so you're going to get a fungal infection. You may be wondering, how do fungal infection look like? Maybe you are having it, you do not know that it's a fungal infection. Maybe you are thinking that it's other infection. So fungal infection is going to draw, it's going to flash on your screen there so that you know the particular one you are having, whether it's fungal infection or other infection. But the one I'm talking about is a fungal infection there. So how do you treat fungal infection? If you don't want to go to the hospital, maybe you want to do it home remedy. There are many home remedies you use in treating fungal infection. One of them is honey. You can use honey in treating fungal infection. Just apply honey, not diluted honey, undiluted honey, because there are many honey hearts there that's already diluted, that have already mixed. No, that one is not going to work. You're going to use the raw pure honey, the one that is not diluted at all. So you use it and apply to that fungal, that particular place that you are experiencing the fungal. Maybe for example now, I'm having a fungal infection on this my hands there. So I will take the honey and apply it to it there. So when I apply it to it, I keep on applying it to it. You see that that infection, that fungal infection will be going step by step. I'm not saying that it's going to vanish overnight, all those there, but let me just say, as from a week, you start seeing that fungal infection going away. That means the honey have started treating that fungal infection there. Then the other one you're going to use, in case you do not see honey, you can use aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel also takes away fungal infection. It also stands as a treatment to fungal infection. You can use aloe vera gel, you can use the raw aloe vera gel, or the already one that is already in the container. The one in the container is going to show on your screen there. So you can use it and apply it to it. When you apply to it, you see that that fungal infection will be going away. That fungal infection will be leaving your skin, that particular place. It can be your toe, it can be your finger, it can be any part of your skin there. Yes, there's fungal infection on the skin. The body fungal infection is going to flash on your skin too. Also, and the toe fungal infection, the finger fungal infection, they are going to also flash on your skin too also. So you apply aloe vera gel on it there. In case you did not see aloe vera gel, you also use this tea tree oil. This tea tree oil is also powerful. It's going to also flash on your screen also. So this tea tree oil is also powerful. It takes away fungal infection on it. Yes, it heals it. It is that particular place that fungal infection is. It treats it very, very well. Those are all remedies that you can use without maybe going to the hospital, like taking the injection and the rest. So you can use it in taking away fungal infection on it. So if you do not sieve that tea tree oil, you can also use the apple vinegar, or apple vinegar, this thing, to also take care of it. If you don't know apple vinegar, it's also going to flash on your screen. This apple vinegar is meant for treating all sorts of skin reaction. It's also, apart from skin reaction, it's also good in hair todos. So you apply that undiluted one. They are undiluted one, like the apple vinegar. This time I'm talking about, they have one. The one that is undiluted is the one with the mother. So maybe if you want to buy apple vinegar, you just look at it, the one with the mother, that one is not diluted at all. So don't go and buy anyhow apple vinegar this thing there, heart there. So you apply it to that particular place. You just turn a little on a container, just use something to be applying. It can be a cotton bud, or you can use your hand to apply it on that particular. And when you are using your hand, make sure that after you use your hand in applying that apple vinegar or the honey or anyone that I've talked about, like the aloe vera gel or whatever I've talked about, make sure you wash your hand with soap and water with Dettol, so that that hand you use in applying it to that fungal infection, that particular spot that contains fungal infection, does not, you do not use it to also maybe use to touch your face, then you surprise that fungal infection is already in your face there. So that is why after applying all these things, in case you are using your finger, you are using your hands in doing that, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water and also with Dettol, to avoid other parts of your body having it also by mistake of you touching your face and the rest there. So you can use apple vinegar to also do that. If you are not having apple vinegar, you don't know where to get apple vinegar, or apple vinegar is also very expensive. Yeah, it's really, really expensive in the market there. Then you can use turmeric. You can use the turmeric roots, or you can use that dry turmeric. In case you are using the dry turmeric there, that dry turmeric, just add a little water to it to stir it together, apply it to that place. You know, turmeric, that dry turmeric is going to dry on the skin. It will look wet because you had water on it and applying it to that place. So after some minutes or after some seconds, you see it that it will become dry. So you apply it continually, consistency on it there without you just say maybe you do it this week, then next week you do not do it. You will not see any result in it. So you keep on applying it. I'm assuring you, as for a week, you start seeing that that fungal infection will be going away, will be leaving that particular place there. And fungal infection is very, very dangerous, especially on your skin there. You see it like it comes, sometimes it comes like a ringworm and the rest there. So you see that fungal infection on your skin is very deadly. And if it's on your feet, that particular toe or that particular finger, you will not even like it safe. So fungal infection is very, very dangerous. So those are the home remedy that you can do on your own, that you can just get from the market, either the honey, either the apple vinegar, either the tea tree oil, or either the aloe vera gel, or either this turmeric oil. So you can use this turmeric oil in applying it, or turmeric himself, in case you are you come across, maybe you are having that turmeric root, just for you to just beat that turmeric root. There's always water coming out of that turmeric root. You just beat it and use that part that you beat to use it to scrub that particular place that has that fungal infection. So that is it, all those ones. So do not forget to subscribe in case you have been following me, and do not forget to like my video, so that YouTube will recommend it to people who are interested in knowing more about fungal infection and the treatment of fungal infection there. And if you want to have one-on-one class with me, there's something there called join. You can join my membership, where we talk about more about skincare, where we educate you more about skincare and how you can take care of your skin there. Then maybe you like my channel, you like my video, you want to encourage me, there's something called thanks. Maybe there's something content close to where you can download any video there. You can see something content, so you can appreciate it with any amount you have there. So thank you so very much. See you in the next video.